Okay, so hello everyone. It's been a while. Welcome back to coding session. It's been a while since I've even touched this series. So pretty much what the return coding session is going to be is pretty much a quick 5 to 6 to 7 minute video of anything programming related, whether we're doing something like CodingBat, which CodingBat is just a website where it gives you a problem and you write code as a solution to said problem. So a lot of logic is involved. Um, or if we're doing something in .NET languages, Visual Basic, C Sharp, C++, and Visual Studio, or Eclipse, NetBeans, Java stuff, or if we're doing something in a game IDE such as GameMaker or Unity, things like that. So I'll have an update video of how the series is gonna work later on. So let's get started. Alright, so for the first problem, and there's probably gonna be a lot of CodingBat videos because this site is just pretty cool. Okay, so for the first problem is the parameter weekday is true if it's a weekday, the parameter vacation is true if we're on vacation. We sleep in if it's not a weekday or if we're on vacation. So this is simple. If it is not a weekday or we are on vacation, and pretty much just exclamation point on weekday just checks if weekday is false, and without it, it's just checking vacation is true. We return true. Otherwise, we return false. Now you could do an if-else here, but since it's going to return one or the other, it's not necessary. Once it returns a boolean, that's pretty much it. So for the second problem, we have two monkeys, monkeys A and B, and the parameters A smile and B smile indicate which are smiling. We're in trouble if both are smiling or neither are smiling. So if A smile and B smile, we simply return true, else if not A smile and not B smile, return true, otherwise we do return false. Now this is checking if A smile is equal to true and B smile is equal to true, and this is checking if A smile is equal to false and B smile is equal to false. This is just a simple way of just annotating what we're checking for when it comes to booleans, and that one is correct. Alright, so given two int values, return their sum. Unless the two int values are the same, return double the sum. If A is equal to B, return A plus B times 2. Otherwise, return A plus B. This one is extremely simple. Different 21, given an int n, return the absolute difference between n and 21, except return double the absolute difference that n's over 21. So if n is greater than 21, we want to return n minus 21, which would give a positive value, absolute difference, times 2. Otherwise, we return 21 minus n, which gives a positive value if n is 21 or less than 21. Oops, I typed too fast there. There we go. Next problem. We are at 4 minutes. We have a couple more to go. We can do a couple more, is what I meant to say. We have a loud talking parrot. The hour parameter is the current hour time in the range 0 to 23. So in programming computer science, we start at 0, not 1. We are in trouble if the parrot's talking in hours before 7 or after 20. So we first want to check if the talking is true. And then we're going to do a nested if statement. If hour is less than 7 or hour is greater than 20, we are going to return true. Otherwise, we return false. Very simple stuff. I guess we have time for one more. Makes 10. Okay. Given two integers, a and b, return true if I think this is meant to be of, not if. if one of them is 10 or their sum is 10. Okay, let me return true if one of them is 10. So if, oh shit, oh, oops, I wasn't activated in the text box. If A is equal to 10 or B is equal to 10, return true. So that's what it's asking, return if one of them is 10, or if their sum is 10. Else, if A plus B is equal to 10, we return true as well. Otherwise, we do return false. If that's what the question is asking, I believe that's what it's asking us. Yes, it is. So, I guess on the episode here, this is my first time coming back to YouTube and doing this series. My mic is a little bit whiffy and maybe a little bit staticky. I'm trying to fix that. I don't know if it's my audio imports on my PC or not. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. There will be update videos soon regarding how the series is going to go. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace.